Look at that layers. Those are sliced preserved pork. Preserved pork stir fry. 腊肉焖糯米饭. Preserved pork, tofu, Napa cabbage soup. For making preserved pork, we usually use pork belly. I'm using pork butt today. The meat is not too lean, but it's not too fat either. You can see this fat part. The pork belly is usually more expensive than pork butt. So if you're gonna make a lot of preserved pork, this pork butt is more price friendly. Also, it's not too fatty. Slice the pork, that part of the meat. It's beautiful. We got some lean part and fatty part. It's perfect. Okay, I got 13 pounds pork butt right here. I cut them into each piece like this big. Also, I did poke a hole in the meat. It will be easier for later when we try to use a string go through the meat, then we can hang the meat. 13 pounds pork butt, we need around 80 grams 100 proof 50% ABV vodka. Don't use any liquors, ABV is less than 50%. For the vodka and 80 grams dark soy sauce. Don't use a light soy sauce. 200 grams salt. Now we're gonna let this cure in the fridge for 7 days before we move on to next step. Alright, the meat has been curing for 5 days. Today and tomorrow is supposed to be nice. It's about 50 degrees. I don't want to miss this couple nice days, so I'm going to go ahead, move on to the next process. Sun dry them. So this sun dry process, I don't recommend do it on summertime. When the weather is warm, you have a lot of bugs like flies, bees, and all the other random bugs. I would say February, March, April, October, November are perfect 5 months for sun dry the meat, or anywhere the temperature is around 50 to 60 Fahrenheit. Sun dry process usually takes around 10 to 20 days. Just take the meat outside every day when the weather is nice. I'm talking about like sunny days. When the weather is not nice, you can keep them in the dry and cool area. Like right now, it's February, still winter time. So I keep them in my garage at night and take them out in the morning. We needed this string to tie the meat. I bought this for tie the sausage. Cut the string, double it, and then tie the end. Pick one piece of pork. So I did cut the hole in the meat right here. Put the string go through the meat and hang the meat up like this. You can tie the top just like that, and we can hang this outside. They're pretty hard. We can eat them tomorrow. They're solid hard. I'm going to use the hot water, soak them about half hour. After soaked for 30 minutes, I transferred them into my steamer. I'm going to steam them for about an hour until they're fully cooked. These are steamed preserved pork. Those are sliced preserved pork. You can eat straight like this or with your favorite sauce. Chili sauce, soy sauce, or like me, use balsamic. Preserved pork stir fry. Use any kind of your favorite vegetables. Stir fry with the preserved pork. 腊肉焖糯米饭. Basically use some vegetables, preserved pork, and sweet rice. This sweet rice is so soft. Last, we can use the preserved pork to make some soup. I made some preserved pork, tofu, Napa cabbage soup. Simply delicious. Of course, you can use preserved pork to make any kind of your favorite dish. Not just this four. Dip into the sauce. If you are interested to make this homemade preserved pork, just follow my recipe and let me know what you think. If you have some better recipes to cook this preserved pork, leave me a comment down below. Alright, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!